Here we have Antoine and Alpha, who aren't as spoiled as Tuffy and Biddy. And they're going to get to go berry picking. Come on, guys. Up. Throw that in the bottom piece. Come on, guys. Come here, Antoine. Come here, Antoine. What's that? What's that? Oh, look at the happy girl. Look at the happy girl. She's already seen a berry, and it's not even a good berry. Antoine's got one. Go get it, Antoine. Get it, boy. Oh, choked it right down. There's a bunch, girl. Alpha. Alpha. Here's my Antoine, huh? Oh, yeah, she found one. Listen to her. That's a happy hen. Alpha. Alpha girl. Alpha. Huh? Come on, girl. Plenty down there. Right there. Right there. Good girl. Oh, you guys are so much less spoiled. Huh? What you doing, Antoine? Huh? Antoine. Antoine. That's my boy, huh? Antoine. Huh? Antoine. Come on, guys. There's plenty down there. Here, Alpha, look down, baby. Look down. Well, yeah. Come here, girl. Alpha. Antoine. Yeah. Antoine. Antoine. Huh? Antoine. Go show her to get some. Go get some for her. Go get some for her. Go get some for your girl. Huh? Go get some berries for her. That's a flower. Doesn't count. Here, boy. There's one. There's a red one. Here's one right here. Go show this to her. Go show that to her. Here, go get that to her. Antoine. You might just eat it yourself, though. Yep, you ate it yourself. Good boy, huh? Ba 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 ba. He's a happy boy, huh? Antoine. Yeah, these guys are having a whole lot more fun.